In 2020, the resilience of supply chain has been very much challenged. And this is into that context that change became even more obvious and important when it comes to quality of the backbone.
And we're running, the second biggest mobile company in the world from home. And we can only do that because of the digital tools which we've already implemented. Don't have a digital first strategy, have a digital only strategy.
The recipe is in that partnership together. So us with you with your other customers and that extended supply base.
Seamless connectivity with the vendor ecosystem helps us provide that level of transparency, objective decision making, and it also gives a beautiful experience to our suppliers while dealing with us.
So it's just not thinking on Natura as an isolated company, but thinking on the supply chain as a whole.
Using SAP IBP, the integrated business planning area, has really allowed us to build better production plans. So then we use Ariba to provide those planning signals to our suppliers so that they have that early visibility. It really automates a lot of these interactions, saving time for us and for them, and obviously making this an overall more efficient supply chain.
It's so important to organizations to understand how you can bring both your services procurement talent with your contingent and allow for that visibility across your contingent workforce of services procurement as well as the staff augmentation type of talent.
Services is a large element of spend for us that's not been managed through a single system in the way that the contingent workforce is managed through SAP Fieldglass.
So I think, we're all on a talent journey. And as we look at the emerging technologies from human cloud providers, right, more direct sourcing, I see that eventually we'll be looking, instead of talent within specific swim lanes, we'll be looking at the pool itself, right, to find the best talent for the work that we have.
The usability translates into our store managers and store team members being able to focus on our customers, being a customer first organization, being a retailer where the customer experience counts. The ability for them to be able to do their back office roles simply is really what Woolworths is about.
This was an extremely successful deployment, not just from a technology perspective, but from an end user perspective. We immediately started to get accolades and feedback from our end users about how much they liked the tool and how much more efficient it was compared to the legacy solution that they were using.
The support, collaboration, and customer centricity that we saw from that team was absolutely instrumental in us being where we are today.
It's really about enabling procurement to drive the innovation agenda, drive partnering and collaboration with the outside world, deliver on social value with our communities, local, Indigenous procurement, supporting our mining and equipment technology set. We need to help execute on our organisation's climate strategy. I really think that procurement, as it heads into the future, is the window for companies into the outside world.